Hey guys, it's Tim with LeatherSeats.com. We just finished replacing the seat upholstery in this 2016 GMC Canyon Crew Cab. This truck came with the original fabric interior, but the customer was looking to upgrade the factory cloth to leather. We built this deluxe leather-trimmed interior kit in a two-tone combination of Bristol with Piazza Java inserts and Java wings. This style is available for both the 2015 through 2022 GMC Canyons and Chevy Colorados. This specific setup is available as a pre-selected package on our website, which can also be upgraded to our premium and 100% leather content, which gives you more real leather than the factory upholstery from GM. Be sure to check out the link in the description for more details on this package. You can also check out our online interior configurator at LeatherSeats.com to customize your own interior in a variety of colors and options. Our replacement upholstery kit for this model includes all the necessary Velcro, push clips, and hog ring attachments. This is considered an advanced installation and will require using hog rings and hog ring pliers, as well as an upholstery steamer. If you're looking for a recommended installer, have any questions about the product, or would like to receive free color samples, feel free to give us a call at 866-NEW-SEAT. LeatherSeats.com. Custom look, factory fit. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or would like to receive free leather samples, give us a call at 866-NEW-SEAT or email us at sales@LeatherSeats.com. For more information, check out the links in the video description. And if you enjoy this type of content, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date. LeatherSeats.com. Custom look, factory fit.